Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at recursion. So basically I just want to start off with some advantages and disadvantages of recursion. So for example, some advantages of recursion could basically be when a complicated function is split down, or when a sequence is created simpler, or basically recursion can just read the code better and make it more effective. Then some disadvantages of recursion is that it uses a lot of memory, and doing recursive calls makes it expensive for using. Then recursive functions are very hard to debug, so if you make an error, then it's very hard to debug it and fix it. You have to go through the code line by line and fix it. And basically there's so the reasoning, because it's calling a function within itself, it's pretty hard to sort of think it through basically, because it's because it keeps looping around a lot, so it's a bit hard to think through, which is why I've created this diagram to show how it works basically with a simple program. So here we go. Function within itself. So here, for example, I made this diagram. So x is equal to factorial 4. So factorial is basically 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 if it's for 4. Then 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is the factorial. So that's basically 24, for example. Then factorial of 10 can be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. And that's basically how factorial works, and the result of of that multiplication is the factorial. So here I've said def factorial I, so 4 is basically I. Then if I is equal to 1, which is not, so it goes into the else, then return I times factorial I minus 1, which is 3. So 4 times 4 minus 1, which is 3. Then 3 comes here, so basically I equal to 3 now. So then else, so 3 times 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then else, return 2, and then factorial I minus, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Then here, I get if I equal to 1, which it is, then return I. So basically, these extra lines are here for, so here, so this returns here, and then this comes here, then this comes here, and then this comes back up here. So recursion is basically calling the function within itself. So this is the function, basically I'm calling the function while it's still inside.